In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Virgin Media Hub 5 to access and manage your router settings. First, make sure your device is connected to the Virgin Media Hub 5 network, either via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and type 192.168.0.1 into the address bar, then press Enter. This will take you to the Hub 5 login page. You'll be asked for a username and password. The default username is usually admin, and the default password is either printed on the back or bottom of your Hub 5 device or set to Change Me. If you've changed the password before and forgot it, you may need to reset your Hub 5 to factory settings by pressing and holding the reset button for about 10 seconds. This will erase custom settings and restore the default login credentials. Once logged in, you'll see the router's admin dashboard, where you can manage Wi-Fi settings, check connected devices, update firmware, and more. Be careful when changing settings. Incorrect changes can disrupt your internet connection. If you're unsure, look for help guides within the dashboard or contact Virgin Media support. After making changes, always save your settings and restart the Hub 5 if prompted to apply them. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.